Did you start using Microsoft 365 for your business, but your files are still sitting in your personal OneDrive? In this video, I will show you a simple way to move your files from OneDrive Personal to OneDrive for Business without using a complicated migration tool. My name is Carlos, and I help small businesses around the world with their Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace subscription. For more information, visit itwithcarlos.com. We're going to do this in 3 simple steps. First, we will connect both Microsoft accounts to the OneDrive desktop app. Second, we will copy the files from OneDrive Personal into OneDrive for Business. And third, we will make sure the files are fully synchronized and verified that they are available in the business account. And there is one important thing I want to mention before we start. This method is ideal if you're moving files from one personal OneDrive account into one Microsoft 365 business account. If you are migrating hundreds of gigabytes, multiple users, or a large business environment, you may want to consider a dedicated migration tool instead. But for a small amount of files, this method can be very simple. Let's start by connecting both accounts to the OneDrive desktop application. First, click on the OneDrive cloud icon near your system clock. Open the OneDrive settings by clicking on the little gear. Then we click at Settings. Go to Account, and then Add Account. Now sign in with your Microsoft 365 business account. Then we click on Sign In. Here we need to select the folder for this OneDrive account. I'm going to select a different name. I'm going to call it or select OneDrive-ITB_cloud. Then we select the folder and click Use this folder. Then we click on Next. We are being asked if we want to sync or backup folders that we have in our computer. In this case, we just want to transfer the files. We don't want to sync any folders in our computer for this transfer. Then we uncheck these folders. Then we click on Next. Then we click on Next again. Then we click on Next again. We click on Next one more time. We're being asked if we want the mobile app. We don't want it at this time, so we click on Not Now. Then we click on Open my OneDrive folder. Now our OneDrive business account is already connected in our OneDrive desktop application. We will now do the same for our personal OneDrive account. We just need to follow the same steps. We click on the OneDrive icon, click on the little wheel, and click on Settings. Then we click on Add Account. We enter the email address for the OneDrive personal account and click on Sign In. Our personal account is now connected to the desktop app. Once you complete the sign-in process, OneDrive will create a separate folder for each OneDrive account. As we can see here, here's the personal account, here's the new business account, and here's another business account that I had previously in this computer. Let's click on the personal OneDrive account. Before copying the files, we need to do this. We need to sync the folder. We will do right-click, and we select Always Keep on this device. This will download and sync all the files in this folder. Now we can start moving files from one folder to another. Let's say this is my business document folder, business documents. So we can just right-click and then copy. Then I'm going to click on the OneDrive business account. Then here I'm going to right-click and select Paste. Depending on how many files you are moving, this may take a few seconds, or quite a bit longer. And this is where using the desktop applications becomes really convenient. I just copy my business documents into the OneDrive business account. Instead of downloading everything manually through a web browser and then uploading it again, OneDrive can handle the synchronization for us. Now, don't immediately delete the files from your personal OneDrive. Let's make sure everything has synchronized successfully. Once OneDrive shows that synchronization is complete, I recommend doing one additional check. We are now within our Microsoft 365 business account. We click on My Files, and we can see our new folder right here, Business Documents. We double-click, and we can see all the folders and documents. These complete the migration steps from OneDrive Personal to OneDrive Business. Now, you might be wondering, what should I do with the original files in OneDrive Personal? My recommendation is don't delete them immediately. Keep the original files for a while you make sure everything you need is available in OneDrive for Business. Once you have verified that the migration is complete and you are comfortable that nothing is missing, you can decide whether you still need the personal copies. Now, let me make an important distinction. This method works really well for a small, straightforward migration. For example, one person moving their business files from personal OneDrive account to their new Microsoft 365 business account. But if you are dealing with a large amount of data, multiple users, complex permission, or a business-wide migration, this isn't necessarily the best approach. That's when a dedicated migration tool can save you a lot of time and reduce the risk of something being missed. So that's it. You can connect your personal OneDrive and OneDrive for Business to the desktop application. Copy your files from one folder to another. Let OneDrive synchronize everything, and then verify the files from the web. It is a simple solution for a simple migration. And if you're moving your business to Microsoft 365 and you are stuck somewhere in the process, whether it is setting up your domain, configuring email, or migrating your data, that's exactly the type of work I help business with. You can find more information at itwithcarlos.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you're moving from a personal Microsoft account to Microsoft 365 for Business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, stay secure in the cloud, keep tech savvy, and one step ahead with AI.